Okay. The one query is of Mr. Salia or Miss Salia. I can't make out.
I will go in
Yes, please. Please proceed, sir.
what if you are only an occupant and not a member of the society? Cause in many societies in Thana district that have a cooperative housing societies are the part of as a part. Who is this Solena Salia? Can I get the correct question, sir, please? What is a recourse to the such residents? Do you have the right under the Consumer Protection Act? What if you are only an occupant, not a member of the society? If you are not the member of the society, that means you are not the consumer. Your occupant means you should prove that you are paying some monthly outgoings to the society. Then you can approach to the consumer court because you are a deemed member in that case. Okay. And second, we will go Tapsa Bera. Kindly note down the attendance of Mr. Tapsa Bera. Okay. Since you are not a member of the flat, does not have a proper registration of the cooperative rules for which the residents of such flats are always at the mercy of the managing committee who are always taxed against that. So when the cooperative society is registered, you become the member na, automatically. You can file a complaint against the managing committee also, mentioning the society's name. Third one is a Mohit Mehta, right? So this is the same case what he has, because you can also see the chat, na sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, that is Mohit Mehta has said that he bought the land, he bought the flat from the bank auction, and he is not a member even after 7 years. And I did section 22 to the register. However, the ordered against him, against me, and the filed appeal, but no hearing happening. So he just
Sir, what has happened in this case is this property, as per the querist, he bought this property from a auction from the bank, and after the auction, a sale certificate is issued. Typically, when you buy a property in an auction sale, it is bought with a condition as it is where it is condition. जैसा है वैसा. तो उस समय उस दिन सपोजिंग अगर आपने जनवरी 2021 में आपने वो प्रॉपर्टी खरीदी और उस समय सोसाइटी का 2 लाख रुपया आउटस्टैंडिंग ड्यूज बाकी है, तो दैट इज क्लासिफाइड एज इट इज वेयर इट इज. मतलब जब आप प्रॉपर्टी खरीदते हो ऑक्शन में, आपने 100 रुपए की प्रॉपर्टी खरीदी और सोसाइटी का आउटस्टैंडिंग ड्यूज है 200 रुपया, तो आप ये मान के खरीदते हो प्रॉपर्टी कि मैंने जो प्रॉपर्टी खरीदा है उसके एसेट्स और लाइबिलिटीज के साथ में खरीदा है मैंने. अब इन्होंने खरीद लिया प्रॉपर्टी और सोसाइटी ड्यूज मांग रहे हैं, तो ये मना कर रहे हैं. ही सेइंग आई हैव रिफ्यूज टू पे द ड्यूज सिंस लास्ट 7 odd years. इसीलिए सोसाइटी इनको मेंबरशिप नहीं दे रही है. फिर उन्होंने सेक्शन 22 में रजिस्ट्रार के पास में अर्जी किया, अपील किया, और रजिस्ट्रार ने भी इनको इनके विरुद्ध में ऑर्डर दिया. ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि सोसाइटी का अगर आउटस्टैंडिंग ड्यूज बाकी है, तो सोसाइटी इज नॉट लायबल टू गिव यू मेंबरशिप अनलेस एंड अनटिल all the outstanding dues are paid off.
Correct.
And even if he goes to the consumer court as well with the same problem, so because his hands are not clean, unka outstanding dues baki hai, so consumer court is also not going to entertain him. The order will be simple: you either pay off the dues, we will grant you the membership. We will grant you the order for membership.
Correct.
So I think the answer to him शुड बी कि ठीक है, आपने सेल सर्टिफिकेट से बैंक से प्रॉपर्टी खरीदी है, आपकी लायबिलिटी के फ्लैट अगर टूटा फूटा कंडीशन में भी है, उसका प्लास्टर गिरा हुआ है, उसका दरवाजा टूटा हुआ है, उसका आउटस्टैंडिंग सोसाइटी का ड्यूज है, उसका बीएमसी का प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स ड्यूज है, या कोई इनकम टैक्स की उस पर कुड़की लगी हुई है, नोटिस लगी हुई है, अटैचमेंट लगा हुआ है, ये सारे के सारे चीज को निपटा के ही आपको वो प्रॉपर्टी आपके हाथ में आएगी.
Correct.
So I think this is proper. Sir, if you want to add something more, please go ahead.
Yeah, I will add into that because see, sometimes the bank sells these auction flats or premises as is various basis.
Yes, sir.
Number one. Number two, उन लोग ऐसा भी बेचते हैं कि that there is no liability. They mention in the advertisement there is no liability on this flat. अगर बैंक डिक्लेयर करती है कि देर इज नो लाइबिलिटी ऑन दिस फ्लैट, देन दिस पर्सन, दिस फ्लैट परचेजर हु हैज टेकन द फ्लैट under the auction sale, he has to make a party to the bank also. So in that case, the bank has to clear all the liabilities on behalf of this client
Very
or
true.
previous client. And
So
if
that
it is,
has to be actually mentioned in the auction document.
yes, not auction
Buyer-
document, or not auction document. When the auction advertisement is given by the bank, by saying, if they say कि as is where is basis, then that is a different issue. If the bank specifies that it is a free from encumbrances, then the bank has to bear these charges. Because I think that we have to go through the document, and then we can advise this client whether to make that bank as a party or not in that case.
Now the next query is by Mr. Nabish. Can you read it, sir?
Please go ahead, sir. This is
It
if
is-
a register does not, this is yours, na, does not respond to given to the complainant complaint. How can I approach to the cooperative court for AMCs doing a big fraud from issue of the mobile tower rental funding and you give other letter, na? You give a reminder. You give a reminder.
So many times I have given reminder.
अच्छा, many times. Okay.
Many times, but they are मतलब वो दादागिरी मारते हैं कि तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, तुम्हारे पास पैसा नहीं है, तुम कोर्ट में भी नहीं जा सकते। और उनको ये पता है तो इज रॉन्ग उनका चालू है। जैसे कि अभी फंड उनको चाहिए रिपेयरिंग फंड, तो दोबारा मांग रहे हैं। पहले लिया, इलीगल काम किया, अब मांग रहे हैं विदाउट फोटोग्राफ देना, ये वो जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट करके सब बिल्डर्स से ये लेना है। ये कुछ भी सिस्टम से नहीं जा रहे हैं, वो अपने हिसाब से किसी का उठा के लाए और मेंबर्स को बता दी रहा है, मिस गाइड किया कि हमने ये सिलेक्ट किया है, आप इसमें से सिलेक्ट करो। है एक ही आदमी का, मगर वो 5 अलग अलग उन्होंने कोटेशन दिखाए और ये दादागिरी ही मारे जा रहे हैं।
कितने मेंबर्स है सोसाइटी में सर?
सब मेंबर्स 56 है, उसमें से 12 जो है ये सोसाइटी के मैनेजिंग कमेटी के अंदर के ही हैं और वही सब दादागिरी मार रहे हैं। बोलने वाला मैं एक ही हूँ, बाकी सब मेरे पीछे है कि हम आपके साथ हैं।
तो एक काम करो ना, ग्रुप बना के एक डाल दो ना।
नहीं कर रहे हैं, कोई रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा।
क्योंकि 60 लाख का तो अभी उन्होंने काम किया, 3 साल हुए, कुछ भी नहीं गया, पूरे क्रैक से रिपेयरिंग मतलब कुछ भी नहीं किया, पैसे गए, बोलते जो हो गया उसको भूल जाओ, अब नया करना है।
In that case, I think हेमंत अग्रवाल will help you out in this case.
हेमंत जी ने काफी मदद की है और उन लोगों ने सब फीमेल्स को रख दिया है। मेन एक ऑपरेटर मेन है जो पीछे रहता है और उन्हें, क्योंकि वो लॉयर है तो उसने फीमेल्स को रखा। आप थोड़ा सा भी ऊंची आवाज में बोलोगे तो वो क्रिमिनल सेक्शंस लगा देता। इससे सब डरे हुए हैं, इसलिए कोई कुछ बोलता नहीं।
अच्छा।
बट मेरे को फाइट करनी है, मुझे इसलिए करनी है कि मेरे पास इतने पैसे नहीं है। अभी ऑलरेडी 1,40,000 दे चुका हूँ, अब वापस वो इतना ही पैसा मांगे।
We will do something. We have, where you are staying in Malad?
Goregaon East.
Goregaon East.
Hemant ji knows everything.
Yeah, Hemant ji will help you out in that case. Even I will also have a talk with him.
Sir, can I say something?
Yes, sir. Please.
Sir, there is another query by Vibha Gandhi. It's the query is society isn't making us members and not issuing share certificate from past 20 years.
20 years. Okay.
So, what do you suggest, sir?
We can file. See, in consumer court normally we can go. There is no problem. But I think this is a good case for, according to me, to file case before deputy registrar under section 22. I think so, according to me. So that will be better because you will get the order within 2-3 hearings.
So something is missing also, because if the membership is not granted for past 20 years, there should be some sort of issue leading to legal hardship or something of that sort.
Maybe. Yeah. We have to comply with all the whatever documents required as per the norms to the society. We have to submit all the required papers. Otherwise, they will have maybe it is maybe they might require a succession certificate or probate or something like that.
Sir, next question is by Mr. Afzal Muhammad.
Yes, sir. Lawyer fails to attend a hearing under the pretext, and as per the other expert law, opponent fails to attend the ex parte order need to be given, but in the never happens, can he touch this? Fails attended 3 times in a row ex parte order. See, ex parte provision is already there. If the opposite party, if it doesn't appear before the court gives the ex parte, they pass the ex parte order against the opposite parties.
Sir, should he move a specific application for ex parte order?
No. You can, see, first hearing if it doesn't come now, on the second hearing, suppose he doesn't come now, you file an application before the bench, saying that since last 2 days it is not appearing. So that ex parte, that application, they will file on that day, and they might say that on the next date we will see whether he might come. He may not come for 2 days. He might come on a third this thing. See, sometimes what happened ना, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, अफजल मोहम्मद जी, क्या होता है ना, consumer is a person like नमिश भाई ने बताया था, consumer is a person who is investing from his own pocket. और यहाँ पर अगर अपोजिट पार्टी अगर बिल्डर है, वो यही सोचेगा कभी भी कि जाने दो, ये ऑर्डर होने दो, एक्स पार्टी ऑर्डर मेरे अगेंस्ट में, मैं जाऊंगा अपील में, फिर अपील में वहां पर बड़ा एडवोकेट को लेके आएगा, देन ही विल फाइट बाय टेकिंग अ बिग अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. समटाइम ऐसा भी करते हैं कि स्टेट कमीशन में भी हार जाते हैं उन लोग पर्पसली, एंड ही अपील्स द मैटर टू द नेशनल कमीशन. अभी नेशनल कमीशन तो हम लोग जा नहीं सकते, ये भी चीज हम लोग को वो भी देखना पड़ता है कि सामने का क्लाइंट कितना कमजोर है. अभी अलीबाग का एक मैटर था, गोदरेज का मैटर था सिर्फ 7,000 रुपीज का, 15,000 रुपीज का कुछ फ्रीज था. वी हैव गिवन अ गुड ऑर्डर. वो बेचारा वो रिटायर्ड फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर थे वो, देन सामने वाले ने उसने अपील फाइल किया स्टेट कमीशन में, तो स्टेट कमीशन में भी वो बेचारा वहां से पेन में रहता था. किधर? पेन, अलीबाग के पहले पेन, दैट इज ऑल्सो. अभी यहाँ से 80 किलोमीटर होगा पेन, शायद मेरे को लगता है 70 किलोमीटर. तो ईज टू अटेंड दैट स्टेट कमीशन एट फाउंटन. उसके बाद वहां पर वो भी हार गया, फिर नेशनल कमीशन में अपील फाइल किया, गोदरेज कंपनी क्या कोई तो भी कंपनी है, बट समझदारी यहाँ पर नेशनल कमीशन ने बहुत अच्छा लिया, उसको कुछ 1 लाख का कॉम्पेंसेशन दे दिया वहां पर, क्योंकि कितना हेरेसमेंट हो गया उसको ना. डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जाओ, फिर स्टेट में जाओ, फिर नेशनल कमीशन के लोग सोचते हैं, बहुत अच्छा सोचते हैं कि सामने वालों को कितना तकलीफ हुआ.
Sir, is there any criteria in the consumer court to give out ex parte orders? Like for national justice के हिसाब से consumer court को कितनी बार डेट दे के बाद में ex parte order के लिए कंसीडर करना है?
That depends upon the bench.
Okay.
कभी-कभी एक सेशन में भी करते हैं, और कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि नंबर ऑफ केसेस बिल्डर्स का पेंडिंग है, 10 केसेस में आ ही नहीं रहा है, 11वां आ गया है समझो आज, तो हमको पता है कि वो नहीं आने वाला, तो एक्सपर्ट इमीडिएट कर सकते हैं. या अगर जेन्युइन क्लाइंट है, बड़ा क्लाइंट है कि वो पहली बार आएगा क्लाइंट, नॉर्मली 2 या 3 डेट्स देते ही है इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द जस्टिस, क्योंकि अपील में जाएगा तो अपील के जो लोग हैं, जो अपीलेंट अथॉरिटी है, दे विल आल्सो सी the sufficient time is given to the opposite party to file the written statement. Sufficient time is given, वो criteria होता है. So
there is next question by Mr. Arian. He says, could you explain basic info? I think this question is quite important. Would you explain basic information regarding court fee slabs, time limit for disposal of petitions?
See, it is very, very, very low actually. It is अभी तो कुछ मेरे को लगता है कुछ 10 lakhs तक. It is in rules. अभी वो क्या नया रूल्स आया 2019 में, 2020 से स्टार्ट हो गया सब एप्लीकेबल. वैसे 19 से हो गया, कभी 20 से कोविड ही स्टार्ट हो गया, तो हम लोग का पूरा वो बुक लेके खरीद के बैठा है, कोई केसेस फाइल नहीं किया अभी तक. There is very reasonable 100 rupees or 200 rupees. Yeah, it is given. I'll tell you, district commission up to 5 lakhs nil, no stamp duty, no court fees required. Up to 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, that is 200. From 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs, that is 400. 20 lakhs to 50 lakhs, that is only 1,000 rupees. And from 50 lakhs to up to 1 crore, that is 2,000 rupees. Like that. And maximum is above 10 crores, that is 7,500. It is very reasonable. Very reasonable, sir.
He has also a question about time limit stipulated for disposal of petition. This cannot be determined, but if you can give us some sort of idea on this one.
See, it is as per the Consumer Protection Act. Now, within 90 days, the forum has to dispose. Mean commission has to dispose the case. 90 days. But sufficient time is given. अभी बैंड्रा जैसा फोरम में अगर आप जाओगे कि दे आर गिविंग अ फर्स्ट डेट आफ्टर 4 months. अभी नहीं 2017 18 की बात कर रहा हूँ. अभी 28 में अभी 2020 2021 में तो एज यूजुअल you know there is a problem is there, but after admitting the case now they are giving a date, next date, that is after 4 months or 5 months, क्योंकि लोड बहुत है वहां पर इसके लिए.
Mr. Afzal Mohammed has a question. He is asking alternative remedy under section 3 of the CPA, Consumer Protection Act.
Yes. See, alternate remedy means what, you know, see you can go to the other court also, civil court also, for deficiency of any your if you are having any matter. Suppose if bank is there and bank has given on the part of bank there is some deficiency, so you can go to the ombudsman, you can go to the city civil court also against the bank. So if you go there, it might take a little more time, and it is a speedy recovery procedure is followed under the Consumer Protection Act. So I feel it is alternate remedy means you are having a remedy in other court of law.
Yeah.
Just like I told you that society and if the builder is not handing over the conveyance to the society, they can go to the DDR, Deputy District Registrar. But here in consumer court also you can file a complaint against them. See, this is called alternate remedy. Yeah. But if you file before the consumer court, you cannot file before any other court. If you file in any other court, then here you consumer court you can't, because you have to specifically mention under the same cause of action there is no case is pending before any of the court or authority.
I'll add a bit in this thing for the benefit of Mr. Afzal. अभी जैसे मानो एक सोसाइटी ने आपको धमकी दिया, आपको हैरास किया, जिससे आपको मानसिक और शारीरिक यातना हुई, मेंटल और फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स हुई है आपको, आप उस पे पुलिस एफआईआर करते हो, और पुलिस एफआईआर नहीं भी करते हो या आप प्राइवेट क्रिमिनल केस भी करते हो लोकल मजिस्ट्रेट कोर्ट पे, तो उसके खिलाफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीडिंग्स चलेंगे, पर उससे आपको आपके जो शारीरिक और मानसिक यातना हुई, फिजिकल एंड मेंटल ट्रॉमा, उसका आपको कंपनसेशन डैमेजेस वगैरह कुछ नहीं मिलता क्रिमिनल कोर्ट में. वो सामने वाले को सजा हो जाएगी, वो 2-3 साल अंदर लेके बाहर आ जाएगा, पर आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. आपके उतना वक्त भी खराब हो गया और आपके पैसे भी खर्चे हो गए. लेकिन यही मैटर में सेम टू सेम में आप अगर कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में भी मैटर फाइल करते हो कि सर मेरे को यही प्रकार की इसने इस प्रकार की परेशानियां की है, ये मेरा राइटफुली एंटाइटल्ड था, लेकिन इसने मुझे हैरान परेशान किया हुआ है, तो उसके लिए आई एम एंटाइटल्ड टू ऑल दिस थिंग, ऑल दिस कंपनसेशन एंड डैमेजेस. तो हियर यू कैन हैव 2 रेमेडीज, एक उधर क्रिमिनल कोर्ट में भी और एक इधर कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में भी. सर, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बाय शिल्पा अगेन. ही इज सेइंग कि हाउ इज वाटर चार्जेस चार्ज टू ऑल मेंबर्स इन द सोसाइटी. रिलेटेड टू कोऑपरेटिव है, बट अगर कंज्यूमर में कोई ट्विस्ट है इसका तो सर बताइए.
नहीं, द चार्जेस कंज्यूमर में कोई नहीं है. कंज्यूमर में सिर्फ देखो दो ही पॉइंट है, एक डेफिशिएंसी इन सर्विस एंड अनफेयर ट्रेड प्रैक्टिस. यही 2 ही चीज डिसाइड करने के लिए बैठे हैं हम लोग, बस. ओनली 2 थिंग्स.
वैसे वाटर चार्जेस जो बायलॉज के हिसाब से मेंशन किया हुआ है, इट इज पॉइंटेड आउट एज पर इनलेट बेसिस. जैसे मानो आपके 100 फ्लैट्स है सोसाइटी में, अब 100 फ्लैट है, वो लेट अस से ऑल द फ्लैट्स आर 1 BHK, 1 बेडरूम हॉल किचन. अब 1 बेडरूम हॉल किचन में मानो हर फ्लैट में एक टॉयलेट बाथ है, तो उसके अंदर एक इनलेट आया हुआ है पाइप का और एक इनलेट आया है किचन में, ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि वो दोनों अलग अलग है. तो दिस आर कॉल्ड 2 इनलेट्स. अब जो भी पानी का बिल है वो 100 फ्लैट में will be multiplied by these 2 inlets, that is now becomes 200 inlet.
Okay.
और अगर पानी का बिल 200 रुपया आ रहा है, तो then it will be divided, this 200 will be divided with 200 rupees and it will be levied to per member. That is what is the water charges in a cooperative society. We have got Dr. Sanjay. Dr. Sanjay, please unmute yourself and ask your question to the speaker, please. Can you do that, sir?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So our society has gone for structural repairs, and for which they collected a fund of almost 4 crores.
Okay.
After 90% of the work was completed by the contractor, the management committee informed that the contractor has resigned from the balance work, or he has said that he cannot complete the work, and he left. The work was having 5 years warranty.
Okay.
Okay, so now society says that they cannot provide the warranty of 5 years because the contractor has left.
Ah.
But the members are saying that we have paid the money, which is inclusive of 5 years warranty. So if any defects are appearing, the defects are appearing already in the repairs which has been done. So can the member approach cooperative consumer forum for this?
Why member? Even cooperative housing society can file a complaint.
No, society is not willing to file a complaint. That is the thing. Na? They are with the contractor.
Acha, okay, they are with the contract.
Because in the contract there was an arbitration clause also, which they refused to invoke.
Okay. So in that case, group of members, there is a provision, one or more members can file a consumer complaint under section 31.
Yes.
Previously it was 12(1)(c). A group of members can file a complaint against the society as a first party, and second, the contractor. As I told you already, you have to make a party of the society, because the payment is made through the society. Then society will say whatever they want to say. They will definitely say that it is a mistake of the second opposite party. The second opposite party is the contractor.
Right.
Then the commission will grant a necessary favorable order in favor of the society.
Okay.
But
society is not seeking the relief. That is the whole point.
That's why the members can file. Can file a complaint, as members are the complainants.
Right.
Group of complainants. First opposite party is the society, who has given the contract to the opposite party number 2. You have to get the relief from the 1 and 2.
Okay.
Then you will get the favorable order from the thing. But only thing is that there is a deficiency that you will have to prove. That's all.
Okay. And second part of this same.
Before I forget here, that contract is more than 4 crores. Now, as on today, that you have to approach before the Honorable State Commission, not district.
Okay, but what I understand that it is the member what he has paid for the service. So if he has paid 60,000 rupees, then will that 60,000 will be applicable, or 4 crore will be applicable?
No. See, 60,000 means only 60,000 as a fees you are talking about. You are saying that this is what is the total cost of the contract?
Total cost of the contract is 4 crores, but each member contributed 60,000 rupees only, because there are 400 members.
No. The pecuniary jurisdiction, that is 4 crore, will come as per the section 11(1), that is of the old act.
Yeah.
If you read section 1, so it is specifically mentioned there, the total cost of the services. So
yeah, but in the new act, it is different. In the new act, TPA 2019, it is the amount of money which a consumer has paid.
No, it is an argumental point. See, again, there are some few judgments have been given by the State Commission and the National Commission. They are saying, for example, they are saying the amount of prayers has to be a jurisdiction for your the amount of claim that has to be your pecuniary jurisdiction. But sometimes they say in section 11(1)(a) it is clearly mentioned it is total cost of the jurisdiction.
Okay, fine.
Section 1A, 1 second. Section 1A, that is old act. I will specifically read it out. It is clearly mentioned. See, jurisdiction of the district forum. That time it was a forum. Now it is become a commission in new act. It is saying that district forum shall have the jurisdiction to entertain the complaints where the value of goods or services. That means value of goods or services means here the services are about 4 crores. So that will be treated as the pecuniary jurisdiction to file the complaint, according to me.
I would also like to add one thing. I think Dr. Sanjay himself is a lawyer.
Okay.
Am I correct, Sanjay ji? Dr. Sanjay, are you a lawyer? I think what I have heard about him that he himself is a lawyer. Now he is talking about going to the consumer court. That is one option. The second option, what he said कि मैनेजिंग कमेटी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के विरुद्ध में कार्यवाही नहीं कर रही है. So he is supposed to be, the managing committee is bound to file criminal proceedings, FIR against the contractor for duping the society, for cheating the society, etc. And an individual also, after giving proper notice to the MC, can file an FIR against the MC and the contractor. MC for abatement and contractor against all the nuisances that he has done. So this is one of the options that is possible. There is another query by Mansi Shinde. Can joint member become a committee member? Not related to the Consumer Consumer Protection Act, but yes, the answer is that joint member can become a committee member with the consent of the first primary member.
Primary.
Now there is another question by Mr. Vikrant Jindal. Mr. Vikrant Jindal is also a lawyer. Mr. Jindal, can you unmute yourself and ask the question directly to our speaker, please?
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So, recently, as you have explained to Dr. Singhal, but just since I had already put it in the chat box, my question is that the value of the flat is 2 crores and the buyer has paid 20% amount and the agreement is registered, but due to some reason the building work has been stopped. Now the buyer, since he doesn't want that, he only wants the refund of his money along with interest. So where should he approach? The district commission or a state commission?
No, it is above 1 crore, no? It is a state commission.
Okay.
Okay, here what you do, there are two things I am telling you, sir. Vikrant ji. One, if you file complaint only for the refund of money, na, then you have no jurisdiction under the consumer protection law. Because for refund of money, you have to go to the other court. But here, the first, your prayer should be there. Your first prayer should be like this, that this honorable commission may direct the opposite party, that is builder, to give a possession as agreed and mentioned in the agreement for sale agreement which is registered. Number one. Or you have to mention a second prayer as if the opposite party is unable to give the possession as agreed, then honorable commission may direct it to refund this amount along with the interest. Direct if you refund मांगेगा तो नहीं देगा वो.
तो डायरेक्ट में सिविल कोर्ट में जाना पड़ेगा.
सिविल कोर्ट में जाना पड़ेगा. इधर आप बोल रहे हो ना कि बाबा वो फ्लैट नहीं चाहिए आपको ना, तो उनको बोलना कि एज पर द एग्रीमेंट इन द एग्रीमेंट व्हाट हैपेंड 24 मंथ्स या 36 मंथ्स ये लिखा हुआ रहता है उसके अंदर फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ द एग्रीमेंट. आई वांट माय फ्लैट, यू गिव मी माय फ्लैट, otherwise you give me refund.
Oh, great.
That's all.
Thank you very much, sir. It's a really great information that you have to make 2 prayers. You have to make up 2 forms. One, give the flat or then the refund. That was something much more. Thank you very much.
And you have to mention, as far as in addition to that, you have to mention I am ready to pay the balance amount also.
Yeah.
You have to prove that you don't want the refund. I want the flat only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thomas Sequeira.
One question is by Mr. Suri. Mr.
Yeah.
Suri, if you are there, please unmute yourself and put up your question to the speaker, please. Please unmute yourself, Mr. Suri.
The society charges the transfer of 2 lakhs on incoming members and MC members have not qualified. Members also cannot be taken to the registrar or the consumer court. No, consumer court this transfer charges का वगैरह नहीं है because they are not concerned. Transfer charges it doesn't come under before the honorable commission, sir. Consumer
Okay.
court. Yeah.
Okay.
You will have to go to the deputy registrar. In that way, you have to go to.
Okay, fair enough.
You mean to say that society is charging 2 lakhs rupees for transfer?
it is charging 2 lakh rupees per transfer, and when as a member, when I raise the objection, they say we haven't charged you. Why are you complaining?
That is not correct to charge more than 25,000 rupees.
They cannot charge more than 25 rupees, and they know that. They know
Sir,
that.
there is
But
another. Go
yes.
ahead. Go ahead, Mr. Suri.
Ajit Salvi
No,
ji.
Mr. Rahman,
Yeah.
you have understood now with the course of action.
I didn't hear properly, sir. Your
voice broke,
I-
Mr. Suri.
Said, now, is my voice clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I was saying State Commission or National Commission won't be taking up this case. The Consumer Court will not take up this case. So what would you recommend, Mr. Rahman?
Okay, Vibha Gandhi's again the repeat question is there. वही क्वेश्चन है कि शेयर सर्टिफिकेट नहीं दिया 20 साल से.
Vibha Gandhi is there on online now. Sir, in this case, we need to go through all the papers, what they have communicated and what society has given reply, particular matter. Yes, the next question, Agnolog Homes. The office bearer, secretary, chairman, treasurer refused to accept acknowledgement or written a grievance letter even after the repeated request. Do the letters threats by physical hazard? What action can be taken? Them accountably about whether MCA rules refused to adhere to the bylaws, MCS NOCs for not reflecting members leads to rent, mobile tower, dividend. This all case lies before this deputy registrar, sir. Acknowledge.
Yes, sir. There is
Acknowledge.
another question by Gaurav.
Yeah, the society has launched the complaint against me. The whole society signed the complaint papers after they have given the TV to my sister. Yeah, what is TB?
Related to he is saying he is still suffering from the diseases.
Yes, sir. This is tuberculosis.
Tuberculosis, okay.
Yes.
TB to my sister. Please continue, what should I do? The society has launched a complaint against me. The whole society is. After they have given TV, my sister still, she is suffering.
Sir, they took her in the confidence. Something involved in her mail, and they feed the mail to her, and after that we found that she has a TB.
So she can stay in the flat, no? Because society people are staying to remove your sister from the flat.
No. I am along with my family,
Ah,
but the whole society has launched a complaint against me, and they सर क्या हुआ था कि हमारे यहाँ पे कोई कोरियर वाले आते हैं
जी.
और कोरियर वाले आते तो मैंने कई बार उनको बताया, कई बार झगड़े भी हो गए उसके वजह से सोसाइटी में, और उसके बाद फिर मैंने कोई पोलाइटली उनको बोला, कई बार मैं 3-4 सालों से मैं उनको पोलाइटली बोल रहा हूँ कि आप इसके ऊपर एक्शन लीजिए, पर उन्होंने कुछ एक्शन लिया नहीं. फिर एक दिन बहुत ज्यादा झगड़ा हुआ, और झगड़े के बाद फिर वो पुलिस स्टेशन में गए. फिर वहाँ के लोकल एरिया के लड़कों को उन्होंने इकट्ठा किया, पुलिस स्टेशन में हमको लेके गए, मैं भी था उधर, और फिर वो हम लोगों ने केस डालने का कोशिश किया, पर उन्होंने क्या किया, पूरे सोसाइटी का सिग्नेचर लिया पेपर पे, सोसाइटी के पेपर पे, और सिग्नेचर लिया कि ये फैमिली और ये लड़का ये बहुत तंग करता है और ऐसा है. मेरा बैकग्राउंड ऐसा है कि मैं टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सोशल साइंस में डॉक्टर स्टूडेंट हूँ, और उसके बाद फिर मैंने कुछ किया नहीं, एज अ सिविलियन करके मैंने उसको ट्रीट किया, तो मैंने कुछ उसको एक्शन नहीं लिया. उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या किया कि सिस्टर को कॉन्फिडेंस में लिया और उसको बाय टीबी. फिर हम लोगों ने उसको डायग्नोज किया तो पता चला कि उसको टीबी है. तो ऐसे केसेस में व्हाट शुड आई क्या होना चाहिए स्टैंड?
It is not related to any consumer issues. I think we need to understand your case, Hemant ji. I think so.
Yes, sir. To me also it is not clear.
Yeah. Not clear. You call Mr. Hemant bhai or to me. I will give my
Yes,
number later on. Then we
Yes,
will
sir.
discuss.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Answering Shilpa Pathade, acknowledge sir, maintenance charges amount per square feet, section they levy the equal maintenance and they refuse to do so. That what is the viable solution to make them? We'll take a next question. If he comes, we can again we can
Yes, sir.
go back. I have a shop taken on property for over 30 years now. The landlord for the past years or so he started to harass me on firmly ground opportunity with an ulterior motive for vacating it. This is the case of small causes, sir. Gautam Chopra ji. This is a case of small causes.
Small causes code. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, that means I'll have to file a case at small causes.
Yeah, small causes. Where you are staying? At Bandra or at Fountain? Where you are staying?
Sir, Ghatkopar East.
Acha. I think your jurisdiction might come at Bandra, I think so. That you
Okay.
need to consult the proper advocate. So accordingly you will have to file, because now they cannot, you are paying a rent, na monthly rent.
Yeah, sir, I am paying the rent.
You are paying. Na?
During the lockdown, I paid the each and every month actually.
Each and every month you are paying a pagdi rent, na?
Yes, sir.
Then you don't have to worry about that. You are protected. You are protected.
Okay.
If anybody is giving harassment or anything, then you can lodge the police complaint accordingly.
Okay.
You make 4-5 police complaints from time to
Under
time.
what section, sir?
Huh?
Okay, for what? Basically, for what? Police can for what actually? Under which section of the IPC or
you
what?
just
what
tell
is
that you just tell I am the legal tenant of this property, this owner, and these people are harassing me when during the office hours. Karke. It is a commercial or residential?
Sir, it is commercial actually.
Commercial. You can
It
tell
is
them.
dental clinic actually.
उनको पुलिस कंप्लेंट इस तरह से करो, बोलो मेरा ड्यूटी आवर्स में जो मेरा ऑफिस का टाइमिंग रहता है वहाँ पर कुछ बच्चे लोग आके यहाँ पर गड़बड़ करते हैं, ऐसा पहला कंप्लेंट करो. फिर सेकंड कंप्लेंट करो कि
Okay.
कोई बच्चे लोग गड़बड़ करता है, शायद मुझे ऐसा डाउट है कि मेरा जो ओनर है वही करता होगा. फिर बाद में पुलिस को थोड़ा मैनेज करके 1-2 बार विजिट करवाओ उधर, तो फिर बंद हो जाएगा वो. दिस प्रॉब्लम इज हैविंग विथ एवरीबॉडी, यू नो, बिकॉज ऑफ द एस्केलेशन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी रेट्स. That doesn't come under the consumer risk.
Sir, this is Gom, sir. My question, sorry, I could not unmute myself, so
Yes.
now I have unmuted myself.
Yeah, tell me what is the question. That office
this
business
is-
secretary chairman.
The maintenance is unequal, sir, and they refuse to make it equal. They say no, we will not do it. We will do it as per square feet. So are they right?
I think the better person is Hemant Agrawal, who is the expert in this matter. I think he will.
Sir, and
take the mic.
even my grievance letters, they refuse to accept it and acknowledge, and even try to intimidate and threaten me. So I have repeatedly, I have actually complained to the deputy registrar, but he seems to be not taking any action against the office bearers.
Okay.
Mr. Gomes, as per a recent Bombay High Court judgment, the order itself states that a cooperative housing society has to levy equal maintenance charges
Okay.
all its members. So per square feet wise charges, as it is not applicable to housing societies. Even
Okay.
if a general body has passed a resolution stating कि हम लोग per square feet charge करेंगे, तो भी वो एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है लॉ में. तो ये इसको कंप्लेंट करना तो रजिस्ट्रार के हाथ में आता है फर्स्ट, और अगर आपने डॉक्यूमेंट्री एविडेंस क्रिएट कर दिया, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू हैव गिवन प्रॉपर नोटिस टू द सोसाइटी, इफ यू हैव गिवन प्रॉपर कंप्लेंट्स टू द डेप्यूटी रजिस्ट्रार, और फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है, देन you can surely approach the consumer court also, stating all these things and giving the reference of precedent of this high court judgment as well, and all these things will constitute as you can say illegal trade practices. This will have to be twisted accordingly after looking at your documents, but it
Okay,
can be
sir.
done.
Thank you.
It can be done.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And there was a question by गौतम, पगड़ी सिस्टम वगैरह वाला, तो उन्होंने पूछा कि भाई क्या क्या क्रिमिनल केसेस कर सकते हैं सोसाइटी के ऊपर. तो एक छोटा सा आंसर उसमें ऐसा है कि अगर आपको लैंडलॉर्ड हैरास कर रहा है, तो आईपीसी के अंदर हैरासमेंट का भी एक सेक्शन है, एक इंटिमिडेशन का भी सेक्शन है, मतलब इनडायरेक्टली धमकाना वगैरह का भी सेक्शन है, और एक सेक्शन है न्यूसेंस का भी। अगर आप उसको प्रॉपरली भाड़ा वगैरह दिए जा रहे हो तो ब्रीच ऑफ ट्रस्ट का भी एक सेक्शन लगता है। इस तरह 4-5 एक सेक्शन लैंडलॉर्ड के अगेंस्ट में लग सकते हैं। ये सब डिपेंडिंग है आपके पास डॉक्यूमेंट्री एविडेंसेस क्या क्या है, और आपके पास फिजिकल विटनेसेस, मतलब आपके 2 विटनेस तो मिनिमम लगेंगे, 2 व्यक्ति, इंडिविजुअल व्यक्ति लगेंगे जो ये कहेगा कि हाँ लैंडलॉर्ड इसको मेरे सामने इस तरह हैरास कर रहा था। आपने अगर कोई ऑडियो वीडियो और रिकॉर्डिंग कर रखा हुआ है ये सब चीजों का, तो ये सब हेल्प करेगा। बाकी स्मॉल कॉजेस का जैसे साहब ने बताया कि स्मॉल कॉजेस में तो है ही है, और अगर आपको क्रिमिनल केस करना है तो ये सब भी आप कर सकते हैं। द बेस्ट पर्सन टू डू दिस थिंग वुड बी लॉयर स्पेशलाइजिंग इन क्रिमिनल मैटर्स।
अच्छा, हियर द संजय सिन्हा's phone is crashed.
नहीं सर, बात ऐसी है, जो गौरव जी का सवाल था वो शायद ठीक से पूछ नहीं पाए। अभी जिस प्रकार से कोरोना में था लास्ट ईयर 2020 में कि जिसको पता चला कोरोना, उसको गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटीज बोलते थे क्वारंटाइन हो जाओ किसी भी हॉस्पिटल में, नर्सिंग होम में। अभी 2021 में इन्होंने कहा कि होम क्वारंटाइन। तो मुझे लगता है सवाल ये पूछ रहे हैं कि शायद इनका नहीं तो मुझे जनरल सवाल है कि किसी को अगर टीबी हो, क्या सोसाइटी के मेंबर सभी मिलकर कंपलसरी बोल सकते हैं कि वो मेंबर घर में नहीं रह सकता, कहीं नर्सिंग होम या हॉस्पिटल या शेल्टर होम में जाके रहे? ऐसा कोई कानून है? हेमंत अग्रवाल, आप इसमें रोशनी डालें तो बेहतर।
सर ये सॉरी फॉर द इंटरप्शन, ये तो पर्पसफुली किया गया है, ये मैनमेड है।
हेलो,
हाँ मैनमेड है, ये पर्पसफुली किया है, इट्स नॉट अ नेचुरल, इट्स अ मैनमेड है ये। और ये पर्पसफुली किया हुआ है, सोसाइटी में इन्वॉल्व है, और उन्होंने कुछ मसल पावर इस्तेमाल की है बाजू के लड़कों को लेके 10-25 लोगों को आगे इकट्ठा किया। पूरी सोसाइटी इसमें इन्वॉल्व है, सोसाइटी और बाजू वाली जहाँ पे मैं रहता हूँ कुछ सोसाइटी इन्वॉल्व है, और उसके बाजू वाली भी सोसाइटी इन्वॉल्व है इसमें। तो ऐसे इसमें करना जरूरी है।
नहीं, आपका कोर इशू ये है कि ना टीबी का एलिगेशन लगा है, तो मुझे वो हेमंत अग्रवाल पूछे कि इस बीमारी में क्या सोसाइटी के मेंबर्स मिलके कंपलसरी मेंबर को या मेंबर के साथ में कोई रह रहा है उसे बोल सकते हैं कि घर छोड़ के जावे? कुछ इसमें रोशनी डालें।
Okay, this is the last question. I'll just give you briefly. On grounds of disease or on grounds of religion, nobody is entitled to tell anybody कि आप ये करो या वो करो या घर छोड़ के जाओ. That is absolutely a criminal offense. और कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में नहीं बनेगा सर ये मैटर, ना तो कोऑपरेटिव कोर्ट में बनेगा, ना तो रजिस्ट्रार के पास में बनेगा। आपको प्रॉपर एविडेंस लेके ही आपका बहुत अच्छा सॉल्यूशन है कि आप ये क्रिमिनल कोर्ट में इसको फाइल कर सकते हो। ये डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो गया, ये तो आप भी समझ रहे हो उस चीज को, है ना? तो रेस के हिसाब से, रिलीजन के हिसाब से, डिसीज के हिसाब से आप ये नहीं कह पाओगे कि आप ये जगह छोड़ के चले जाओ। ये प्रोहिबिटेड है टोटली। वी विल कंक्लूड दिस सेशन। मिस्टर रमेश, इफ यू हैव एनी कंक्लूडिंग वर्ड, सर?
I think one more. What are the questions are there actually? I have given my contact numbers. Anybody can call me. Otherwise, I will tell all the participants, call Mr. Hemant Agarwal or me directly. No problem. We will resolve the issues if there anything else is there. And there are many issues which are we are also unable to give the answers, because every day in the law field we are also getting a new things happening. So we are also learning as of today. So if there is any Consumer Protection Act, if you have any problem with the consumer cases and all, you can call me. And even this cooperative society matters also, you can call me. So now I am a consultant to many cooperative societies, also housing societies in Mumbai. And as Hemant Agarwal told me that I am also arbitrator, empaneled in the arbitrator panel for the multi-state cooperative societies also. So we are there always to help you, and hope that the session is good today. So
it is very, very informative. We were not expecting.
Sir, would you please share the name of the YouTube channel?
We will be publishing it on the WhatsApp groups, all the WhatsApp groups जहाँ से भी आपको ये वेबिनार का मिला हुआ है। वो चैनल का नाम इस समय मेरे पास में नहीं है, बट वी विल बी डेफिनेटली डूइंग इट, एंड इट विल बी डेफिनेटली पब्लिश्ड, पुट अप इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स, and you can view it over there. Due to shortage of time today, now we are not able to take up the next speaker. That was a subject like we had harassment by the managing committee relating to membership transfers. So this thing we will be taking it up in the next webinar whenever we do that. I will conclude this session today, and I wish to thank Mr. Ramesh Babu for all the information he has given and for the patience specifically he has shown to all of you by answering all your questions, and it was very, very satisfactory, sir. Thank you once again, sir, and we will. Yes, Mr. Ramesh, please.
Yes, because I wanted to say thanks to you, that is Mr. Hemant Agrawal, because this is my first session that I am giving a lecture on this thing, so I am not so comfortable, you know. I hope that next meeting I will be more comfortable, I think so.
Yes, sir. बड़ी बात तो नहीं है, अपना मुंह बड़ा नहीं खोलूंगा, लेकिन but I will tell you कि most people get comfortable in my company, sir. Okay, sir. We will conclude for today's session, and whenever we are holding next webinar, we will definitely inform in all the WhatsApp groups as well.
Yes, yes.
Thank you all the participants for joining us today.
Thank you very much.
And take care of yourself, everybody.
Yes.
Thank you.